In this video, we're going to show you how to easily flip two end tables. We picked them up at the thrift store and knew right away what we wanted to do with them. We sanded down the tops and then we gave them a coat of stain in the color Flagstone by Refinished End. We gave the base a scuff sand with 220 grit sandpaper, and then we applied the color Soapstone by Fusion Mineral Paint. We gave it 2 coats of paint. We applied new hardware. We thought the card catalog pulls were perfect to give it a new look. This furniture makeover is finished, and these two beautiful end tables are ready for their new home.